Hello everyone! Get ready for unexpected fails, hilarious reactions, and funny moments you definitely won't see coming. Let's jump right into the fun. She stepped onto the table, and the table immediately decided to split in half. That serve definitely didn't go the way she had planned.
Nani?
何?お前はもう死んでいる。
Luckily, the surprise came from nothing more than a ball.
가자!
For a moment, it looked serious, but fortunately, only the mirror took the damage. That practice session came with an unexpected hit from the door, and luckily, he was okay.
No, 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 no.
He stepped into the muddy puddle and instantly lost his footing. It seems the prank worked exactly as planned, and she fell for it. The fall looked dramatic, but thankfully both of them were fine afterward. He found a very unusual way to make it into the water. In places like this, wearing a life jacket is always the safer choice. That play ended with a very unexpected break in the action. Her skateboard had other plans this time, but thankfully she was okay. The chase down the hill didn't go as planned, but thankfully he was okay. Snow can be extremely slippery, so please be careful out there, and thankfully he was okay. She lost control and went straight into the fence, but thankfully she wasn't hurt. His quick reaction made all the difference, and he caught her right on time.
Ow. Be careful, it's super slippery.
She trusted her footing for a second, and the floor instantly disagreed. Don't worry, that dramatic reaction was only caused by a cup of cold
Jack
water.
Nelson, this is the germ catch.
She didn't mean to jump in, but the mud welcomed her anyway. That fence did its job perfectly and kept the situation from going any farther. That was a close call, but thankfully he wasn't hurt. The dog came running through like she wasn't even in the way. These mischievous animals always seem to find a way to steal the whole scene. He definitely has a pretty unusual way of getting his workout done. He tried to make it across, but that crossing didn't quite go as planned. That cat definitely wasn't ready for its first beauty treatment. The dog got a little carried away with the game, but everything was fine.
Oh, hook. Burgemeester, wat is...
That sudden slip only sent her into the water, and luckily, she was okay. She looks a little tipsy, and her balance definitely isn't helping her out. That Splash says he ended up in the water completely against his will. Try watching this without laughing, because that reaction is absolutely priceless. Stairs can catch you off guard in a second, so watch your step, and luckily, they were fine.
All right, well, I don't want to try that one anymore.
That could have ended much worse, so thankfully he came out completely fine.
Damn! And nobody has ever fallen in. It's like a thing.
It may look worrying at first, but they both know how to swim. The swing didn't go as planned, but at least it left them smiling big.
Ready? Do it! 1, 2, 3.
She lost her balance for just a moment, but thankfully she was fine. The slide gave her a pretty unexpected ending, but thankfully she was okay. I took a rough fall there, but thankfully he was completely fine. She lost her balance and ended up giving the Christmas tree a big hug. She lost her balance, but the float gave her a pretty soft landing. Thanks for watching! If these funny moments made you smile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more unexpected laughs. See you in the next video.
Hey!